In today's video, I'm going to teach you add a Microsoft Planner to your site, Microsoft SharePoint Fundamentals. By the end, you'll have a planner board connected right into your SharePoint site so your team can track tasks, assign owners, and see progress without leaving your site. You'll need edit permissions on the site and a license that includes Microsoft Planner. First, open SharePoint in your browser and sign in with your work or school account. From the SharePoint start page, navigate to the specific site where you want the plan to live. This is typically a team site that your group already uses for files, pages, and news. Make sure you're on the correct site because the plan you create will be tied to this location and shared with the people who have access here. On the site's homepage, look for the New button. You'll usually find it near the top of the page. Click it to open the Creation panel. From the options that appear, choose Plan. If you don't see Plan listed, you may be on a classic page or missing the Planner service. Try switching to a modern page or contact your admin to verify that Planner is enabled for your organization. Next, enter a name for the new plan. Pick something clear and descriptive so everyone knows what it's for, like Marketing, Launch Tasks, or Sprint 12 Board. Good names make it easier to find and understand the plan later, especially if your site will host multiple plans over time. Click Create to build the plan. SharePoint will set up the planner board and connect it to your site so the same people who have access to the site can collaborate on tasks. This usually takes just a moment. Before you move on, confirm that Show in Site Navigation is checked. This adds a direct link to the left-hand menu, making the plan easy to get back to for you and your teammates. Keeping that box checked is a small step that saves a lot of clicks later. If you prefer a cleaner menu, you can leave it unchecked and access the plan from the page where it was created. But most teams benefit from having the shortcut visible. That's it. Your plan is now part of your SharePoint site. From here, you can start organizing work into buckets, adding tasks and due dates, assigning owners, and switching between board, charts, and schedule views. All within the site, experience your team already knows. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. And remember, anyone who can view the site can see the plan, so permissions are already in sync. Thanks for watching and enjoy planning directly in SharePoint.